What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Let's take a look around the markets. TGIF, I know it's Friday, so we're going to take a look at the markets. A lot of red, so we're going to take a look at the opportunities that presents. And in the AI meme space, there's a lot of green. Although I will mention one that I mentioned yesterday that I liked that recently, I guess rug pulled, but the dev was just incompetent. It's called Audit. So we'll take a look at that as well. And so without further ado, let's do this. Let's start with that. Let's start with Audit. This had a great idea, but apparently the dev was incompetent. I don't know, not necessarily that he rugged per se, but same results. It went to crap. Audit. That's why you got to be careful with these plays, these AI plays. You always have to be on top of them constantly. If you're one of those set it and forget it people, then don't look at these AI plays. Because they're so volatile, they can go up really quickly, and then they can dump just as quick. Something can change really quick, and so keep that in mind. Audit, a no-go, rugged, done. Take it off the watch list. Too bad. Interesting idea, but it was executed improperly. So now Bitcoin. Actually, I'll do this for the next one. Okay, so Bitcoin essentially ranging. Notice how we're not dropping down here to 87, although we could, because the sentiment is pretty bad. Okay, the whole rate cuts thing with the jobs data that came out. Now people are thinking inflation is going to come back. I mean, all a bunch of theories. Who knows what's actually going to happen? Okay, I still remain bullish. Look at where we are. We're still at 93,000. Yes, I understand altcoins are bleeding. Your portfolio is probably way down, but I mean, it can be worse. Okay, it could be worse. And again, it doesn't take much time for things to just start pumping. Okay, like I said, around north of 200 days for just up, right? That's all we need during this year. Just a 200-day period where things just go up, and it's probably going to happen in the coming weeks or months at the most, guys. Okay. In the coming weeks or months at the most, for sentiment to turn around, things to start looking more bullish, Trump to get into office, and people just starting to get more bullish. Right now, it's just a bearish sentiment, and that's really all that is. We have to wait until we start seeing the DXY come down, because the DXY keeps going up. Okay, the bond yields coming up again. Okay, because this just signifies that there's fear. Okay, 10-year bond yields going up, even gold coming back up. Okay, so that just signifies that there's fear. The Dow Jones dropping, NASDAQ dropping, S&P dropping it, and we can't have that. We can't have that if we want Bitcoin to continuously move up. So that Bitcoin is holding right here is good news. Okay, let's focus on altcoins, because that's what I care about. Others. Okay, so as we get an idea here, I can just extend this, show it like that. All right. So, I mean, maybe we could hang out in this pocket right here, see what happens, hold support, and then start moving up. Okay, or maybe we just hover right above it before we start moving up. Eventually, I think we are gonna get up here. All right, and then we're gonna break through it, and we're gonna go into the trillions, guys. And your portfolio is gonna be amazing. So, I mean, just hold tight. Just hold tight. Things aren't as bad as they seem, right? As we look at Miggles dropping, look at that big drop today. It went down to 2 cents. Wow, way down. People get bored, right? People get bored, but it gets eaten up. Let's see if this one gets eaten up. This thing is gonna do really well, guys. Okay, if you got stuck buying up here somewhere, no big deal. Eventually, this thing's gonna go much higher, right? It's gonna go much higher. Okay, whether the bottom is somewhere around this vicinity, okay, it's gonna go way higher, guys. So don't worry. Those of you that are lucky enough to have some capital right now, I would be buying these things. I would be buying these Toshis, the KitKat, Dog and Me. Position yourself in these four. More than anything, I think Miggles. Okay, Miggles is going to kill it. All right, so once you're done there, then you can look at other plays, like other AI plays, guys. Incidentally, Sinverse is kind of holding pretty strong, right? Pretty strong. That should say a lot. This would be one to put a little bit of capital in, and just hold and wait for 100x. It's a gaming play, okay? It's not an AI play or anything like that. It's a gaming play, and gaming is eventually going to do well because people like that type of stuff, guys. All right, and then let's look at some AI plays that I like. Where is it? Agency I like, and it's up 35% in the last 24 hours. Okay, held on to the 786. Once we see the chart, come on, Agency. I'm on deck screener. What's up with that? All right, Agency held to the 786 right here. Okay, which was at 008. Right now it's at 0095. Doesn't mean we're out of here. Could mean that we consolidate around here for a little bit longer, right after this drop, consolidate, and then start moving up. This project is good. I like this project. 9.5 million, just under 10 million market cap, 1.3 million in volume. Okay, Agency. I also like Quant. I do like Quant. QWANT. 13.3 million in market cap, 1.2 million in volume. And I actually think the Agency, the agent, is better than Quant, even though right now the market cap is higher in Quant. But this is a good little chart right here. Okay, once we kind of get out of this area, if we can break above, 0.015 cents, right now we're at 0.013. We're going higher. Notice how this one touched the 786, and since then it's been kind of moving up. Okay, during a bearish part of the market, bearish sentiment part of the market. Realis is moving up as well. I've been mentioning this one to you guys. It's starting to move up. 35.7 million market cap, 4.6 million in volume, creeping up, guys. You know, at some point maybe this thing just goes boom and pumps. I've seen it many times. ARC, if you're looking for a higher play, 307, but it looks like it's turning over. Let's see where it bottoms out at. Let's put some fibs on it really quick. It's not even close to the 786. 786 is down here, 18 cents, and the 618 is 24 cents. I don't know. I don't think that we're going there. We're going to go that low. Maybe if you can catch it at 28 cents or maybe 25 cents, 26 cents, it'd be a good buy. It's at 30 cents right now. Here's one under $1 million forecast, and you're catching it more or less at the bottom. I don't know. The volume is kind of low. 875,000 in volume, 70,000. I mean, 875,000 in market cap, 70,000 in volume forecast on base. Interesting little play. Chart looks all right. I mean, these are one of those charts where all of a sudden, you know, out of nowhere, it just goes boom, way higher, right? So, I mean, less than $1 million in market cap. Maybe throw a little bit of something in there on base. Right? Clanker. I like Clanker, holding on to that 618 pretty strongly. It's pretty strongly. Let's see if it turns around from here or if it goes lower. The 618, it's at $57. Right now, it's at $62. And Vibe is at a great buy price, guys. Vibe is at a great buy price. I mentioned to you guys, and I think we'll end it there. I mentioned to you guys that if it got down here, I'd be buying all day. And, well, I'd be buying all day right now. All right. Unfortunately, I don't have much capital, but right now is a great opportunity to buy. Although it could wick down, right? Maybe we could get it at 0.0054, especially if the sentiment continues like this for another few days, another week. But then I could see it kind of come down there. But, I mean, just like right now, this zone and lower, great time to buy, because eventually this thing's going to go much higher. Okay, past 15, past 20, into the 100 millions, and like they say, they billions will vibe. So I mean, $1 billion market cap, guys. That's 6.7 million in at 6.7 million market cap right now. That's a lot of excess to be made. Great buy zone. Vibecat on Solana. That's it. Coin. I've been mentioning coin. Right, coin 6,900. See if we can break through this. If we can break through this, this thing is going much higher. Much higher. Right. MSTR is also at a really good buy price right now. Under 10 million market cap again. MSTR 2100. These guys are working. This team is working. I see them with a good social media presence, growing. It's only 3 months old. All right, all these plays are like brand new. I'm not showing you plays that are like, you know, dinosaur plays, guys. These are like new plays. So it takes a little bit of time. And eventually these things will turn around. Eventually this thing will turn around, right? Get out of this triangle and it's going much higher. I mean, again, up here, it was like at 70 something million market cap, $3.49. It's at 45 cents right now, guys. Okay, so there's a lot of opportunities out there if you're not scared. If you're not scared, honestly, you shouldn't be scared, because good things are coming this year. Good things are coming this year. For 200 and some odd days of this year, we're going to see upward momentum. For 200 and some odd days this year, you're going to see your portfolio going up and up and up and up. Right? So in the meantime, take advantage while you can, because we don't know how long this lasts for. Could we drop a little lower? Yes, but I don't think we drop more than 87,000, and I don't even think that we get there. We could, but I mean, right now the sentiment is bad, and we're only at 93,000. So it's having a tough time, thankfully, getting below 90,000 for Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin starts dropping, everything else drops. But eventually, Bitcoin goes up, everything else will go up. So hang in there, guys. Everything is going to be all right. And go enjoy your weekend. Go touch some grass, and we'll touch base on Monday. if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow the channel. All that stuff really does help. Thank you guys. See you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.